What's good, y'all? Now this is the secret to keeping your waves laid all day. What you have to do is this every single morning. You're gonna need to do this routine. It's gonna keep your waves laid with a lot of shine. This is the best morning routine you can do for beginners. Now what you'll need is a soft brush or a medium soft brush, and the softest brush you have. That can be a super soft brush or just the only soft brush you have, and a plastic bag. Add some oil in that. That's gonna be the best way to add shine and lay to your waves every single morning. Here's the soft brush I will be using. Here's the extra soft brush I will be using. Oil, and most importantly, the plastic bag. You're gonna really need this. It gets the job done. Now, first thing you wanna do, add some oil. See, around 6 to 8 drops. Make sure it goes through all your hair. Now go in with your soft or medium soft brush and go in for 6 to 10 minutes. Alright, so here's the most important part. The plastic bag. Like, boom. Going for around 3 minutes. After you finish with that, take your do-rag. This part's very important to go down. Put on this wig cap. Alright, thanks for watching. Now watch this video right here to learn more about the plastic bag method. It's My second favorite wave method is the second most useful in my opinion, and it takes you a long way from beginner to elite. Thanks for watching this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. God bless.